Invented in the late 80s. TPO roofing is the new kid on the block when it comes to flat roofing systems. It's important to note that no roofing system is perfect, and if you're considering putting this system on your roof, here is what you need to know. TPO stands for thermoplastic polyolefin, which is made up of blends of ethylene polypropylene rubber, and talc carbon filler or fiberglass. Also, it's a single-ply low-slope roof system. It can be installed by either mechanically attached or fully adhered. TPO comes in a variety of thicknesses ranging from 40 mils to 80 mils. Generally, the thicker the material the more durable it is. Now let's get into the pros and cons. TPO is generally more durable than other low-slope roof systems. It has a strong resistance to tears and punctures. TPO is very resistant to UV rays. It also comes with the benefits of the white color option. TPO roofing systems are easy to install. The large sheets that make up TPO roofs require less seams, which makes it easier and quicker to install. TPO is flexible and malleable, allowing it to easily wrap around and form on pipes and flashing when it is heated. TPO is versatile as it can be used on both residential and commercial roofing systems, as well as flat roofs and low-sloped roofs. Although generally not as pricey as PVC, TPO can be quite costly, which is mostly because it is relatively a new roofing material. A TPO repair requires special tools like a heat welder, which can get costly and technical. Relative to the other roofing systems available, it is the newest system available, and because of so, it may be difficult to find a roofing professional that can install the roof system correctly. Overall, TPO is a great low-slope or flat roofing system. It combines the pros of both PVC and EPDM. However, it does come with its own cons. So is TPO a good roof system? Sure. But a better question would be, is TPO good for your specific roofing needs? That does it for this week's episode. What has been your experience with TPO roofing? Is it a good system for you? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more roofing tips and other fun roofing stuff. See you in 2 weeks. Take care.